All right, we are on serial 650.501541.10.1. Got the chamber open on this one already. Looking at hours, we're about 500 hours. Blades on this one look nice and sharp. Very free spinning. A couple very minor chips, but in the world of a grinder, these look pretty good. So we'll go ahead and close it back up, put it together, and run this one. All right, back on serial 650.501.541.10.1. We got it all closed up, put back together, conveyor in place. And we'll go ahead and get this one started. And we'll start the conveyor up. Idling at about 18 amps, which is pretty consistent with all of these so far.